23rd. Today is Reorganization Day, or Reorganizing. Room is getting a little emptier now. Still got the two dogs here, but I think I got room for them. TV is still here. Karaoke machine is still here, but I can put that in the car. Same with the clocks. There's a dining room. Here's the kitchen. Still got the can opener out because I'm still using it yet. Bathroom is pretty much empty. This is all I got left in this room now. Keeping this box to put the phones in when I go. And that is garbage, so that can go out. Blankets there I'll probably end up giving away. I just gave away a whole carload today. Here's the other bedroom. Some bedding off the bed. TV still there. Some shoes, but 2 pairs of them are going to go in the garbage because they're worn out. Well, we'll go downstairs and see what's happening down there. I got a bunch of stuff outside I took out of the trailer or the storage bin, and saw the neighbor, so he took a bunch of stuff today. And I was able to put a lot more in there after doing some reorganization on it there. And it's raining out. Anybody want a free lamp? And we'll go downstairs. And this room is pretty much empty now, except for the computer, which I'm still using. I've got a couple boxes here. Vacuum, because I've got to do some vacuuming yet. Front bed is pretty much done. That old sheet, I'm going to get rid of that. And this is just an empty box, just in case I needed it, and I didn't, so no room for it anyways. Nothing in there. Oh geez, I got a mirror I got to take yet too. I guess the movers forgot it yesterday. So I'm going to have to pack that in somewhere. And I got some boxes there to put the, what's this now? Panasonic Remington shaver. So I don't even know I'll keep that because it takes up room. And then I got to keep it down as much as possible there. And that phone I never use, and that phone I never use. So probably end up giving them away too. I got a leather jacket down here. It's got a, I'll just throw it in up on top somewhere in the bin. And last but not least, the bathroom. Another empty box. Some stuff here, a fire extinguisher, a bucket. Some stuff, I can throw that in somewhere. That's about it in here. Okay, I guess that's about it. Go in this little room here. But it's pretty much empty too, except for the lunchbox. So I don't know, might give that away too. Oh, I got a box there, just a little box. A reel-to-reel tape recorder came at one time, so I just used that for odds and ends there, parts bin. And there's the control center for the alarm system. Okay, I guess that's about it.